Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Digimon Rabbit on your Pancakeswap. Our first step is to simply minimize. For those of us who do not possess the Digimon Rabbit on our Trust wallets, you minimize your wallet application or website. Head over to your browser. Once your browser is opened up, the website of interest is going to be coinmarketcap.com. The link to this page is going to be in the description of this video. So you simply copy this BNB Smart Chain contract address. That's what we're looking for. Once it's copied, minimize and head back to Trust Wallet. Once at Trust Wallet, the toggle at the top right corner of the screen is what we're looking for, and we paste the contract address here, being the Digimon Rabbit, add the custom token, switch the network to BNB Smart Chain, paste, and Digimon Rabbit comes out. So you save, click on save, and once you've saved, you simply head over to your browser, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once there, we make our way to Pancakeswap. Once at Pancakeswap, we're going to be trading from, hold on, you click on this ID token. We're going to be switching out the ID token for the Digimon Rabbit. So by simply pasting this wallet address here, this contract address here, we're going to be importing the token. I understand, medium risk, okay, let's go. And okay, the Digimon Rabbit is now unavailable. And let's go with 25%. Click on swap. I think the slippage tolerance is too high, but you click on swap, click on confirm swap again. A contract call is going to come in for 0.46. You click on approve and you add the Digimon Rabbit to your wallet. You close, you then close Pancakeswap, head back to the menu, and boom, Digimon Rabbit is now made available on our wallet. And that's how you can buy Digimon Rabbit on Pancakeswap, guys. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.